GIMP, Photoshop best alternative. It is free and open source rested graphic editor. GNU based general public license software using for image editor and drawing tool. Second one, graphic editor. Desktop browser open. Google search box lo enter GIMP download. Enter key press. GIMP.org downloads. GIMP-downloads. First link click. GIMP official web page complete display. Downloads section lo current stable version. Latest version 3.0.6. Release date year 2025. Month 10th. Date 05. Show details for GIMP supporting OS Linux, Mac OS, Microsoft Windows and all operating systems supported this application. GIMP for Windows section lo scroll down. GIMP for Windows operating system detect and display Windows. Bottom side 3 buttons display. Second button download GIMP latest version 3.0.6 for x86 x86 underscore 64 and ARM64 directly. Second button click. Downloads section lo GIMP latest version 3.0.6 setup.exe file downloading process start. File size 290 MB. Wait and hear downloading process completed. Downloading process completed. Next installation setup. Browser close. Desktop file explorer document open. Left side downloads folder lo GIMP setup file display. Select mouse double click. Download folder minimize. Select setup install mode. Two options display. First one install for me only. Second one install for all users. First one install for me only recommended. Select GIMP GNU image manipulation program window lo first one customize button click. GNU general public license related software information display in box. Second button next click. Select destination location. Application related installation default path local disk C, user folder and user system name folder, app data and local folder, newly created folder program GIMP. Change the another one drive. Browse button click. Present unnecessary. Second button next click. Select components. Which components should be installed? First box full installation. All options default tick mark set. Unnecessary features tick mark set. Present default set. First button back click. Again first button back click. Again back click. Second button install click. Installing, please wait while setup. Install GIMP on your computer. Installation, extracting files, application related. Installation process start. Wait and hear process completing. Completing the GIMP setup wizard window. Desktop GIMP shortcut icon display. Present application. Run. Launch GIMP. Left side box tick mark set. Unnecessary. Run this application. Left side box tick mark remove. Next finish button click. GIMP GNU image multiplication program. Acquiring new plugins. Installing in your system. Wait and hear few seconds. Process completed. Welcome to GIMP window. Your installed GIMP close button click. GNU image multiplication program interface dark mode display. Window maximize. Top section lo Windows menu click. First one option Dockable dialogs. First option related sub panel lo work related number of options and tools display. Font text related editing tool show on workspace. Fonts option select. Fonts related tool window display. GIMP interface themes and Options set your convenient. Top section lo edit menu click. Preferences option click. Preferences window lo interface themes select left side window lo default dark color right side down arrow click. Color set and size icon sizes set your convenient sizes. Appearance cancel button click. File menu click. Third option open click. Downloads select. Image select. First button open click. Keep button click. Top section and left section ruler display. Enter the any one text. Font size 62 and font name Charitech Info.